can see the northern or the Noord part of Amsterdam outside. We'll back up and we have a pretty full length window, two of them. Over here is a small desk with the tea kettle. I have a letter and chocolate. We'll have to open that a little later. Slippers and toothpaste is up here. Also along the wall, we have our TV, and our ceilings are pretty good length, kind of tall, taller than normal hotel rooms, I would say. Mini fridge and safe is in there. And then we'll turn to see the rest of the room. We have our big bed with a lot of different things going on. I really don't know what this is, an extra sheet, I guess. There's two of them, so I guess maybe two people might need the covers. Or, yeah, there's nothing to pull away, so I guess this is our blanket that we sleep on. I've never seen the room set up like that. Table and chair right here in the corner. Light and outlet in there. And kind of a minimalist backsplash. We have an open concept closet with a few hangers. More places for your items in here. No ironing board or anything like that so far. We have this right here. I guess you can hang stuff on there, as well as a full-length mirror. We are right here, so this is our view, but the rest of the hotel looks like that. And then finally, we'll find the bathroom. Has some green, like the Holiday Inn logo. Toilet over there. And then that should be a hair dryer and some towels. The brand for our products is Urban Skincare Co. Vegan, it looks like. Yeah, it's 100% vegan. And then we have our shower. A little bit of a step up, no door. We'll see how wet it gets. Two shower heads, one looking like that. And yeah, I guess there's no iron or steamer from what I see. Luckily, I don't need that. But this is just for the loyalty. They say we appreciate you continue to be a member with us. And then we have some chocolate as well. This is the room, folks. I really like that view, and this bed is interesting.